Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies here. Wanted to show off a product that we have not given enough attention to, and that is our Hydroblast system that we have been manufacturing now for well over 3 years. This product is fantastic for all of you vapor hone owners out there. You have an adjustable spray wand. This cabinet produces up to 800 to 1,000 PSI of heated aqueous-based parts washing that can be done before the vapor honing process. And here's a quick glimpse of the power here. Imagine what you could do with this product in your workshop paired with your vapor hone. Call us for more details. Thanks for watching.